How does status quo affect legal custody rulings? Have you ever wondered how the current living situation of a child can impact legal custody decisions? The concept of status quo plays a significant role in custody disputes. In family law, status quo refers to keeping the existing living arrangements and daily routines of a child intact during a custody case. This helps maintain stability for the child while the court decides on custody matters. When a custody dispute arises, courts often look at the current situation as a baseline for their decisions. This means they consider where the child lives, the daily schedule, and how much time each parent spends with the child. By doing this, the court aims to avoid unnecessary disruption and conflict. For instance, neither parent can change the child's living situation or interfere with the other parent's time without court approval. Sometimes, courts issue temporary status quo orders. These orders prevent parents from making changes that could affect the child's routine. For example, a temporary order might stop a parent from moving the child to a new home or taking the child out of state without permission. These orders remain in effect until the court makes a final ruling on custody or parenting time. The status quo can also influence the final custody decision. While a status quo order does not determine legal custody, it shows what arrangements have been stable for the child. Courts generally prefer to keep things consistent for the child's well-being. If a parent wants to change the status quo, they must provide a strong reason for why that change would be better for the child. If one parent seeks to alter the existing custody arrangement, they carry the burden of proof. They need to demonstrate that changing the status quo will benefit the child. The court carefully weighs the proposed change against the importance of maintaining stability in the child's life. Filing for a status quo order can be a strategic move for parents. It helps protect their current parenting time and prevent sudden changes that could disrupt the child's stability. This process also reduces conflict during the legal proceedings by clearly defining what is acceptable while custody matters are unresolved. In essence, status quo orders are essential in maintaining the current living and parenting arrangements during custody disputes. They influence legal custody rulings by establishing a stable framework for the court to consider what is in the child's best interest. By understanding how status quo affects legal custody, parents can better navigate the complexities of custody and parenting plans.